How you going, guys? If you've got our Vhedia G series head unit and you've got an issue where the aircon controls are constantly popping up on the screen and just being a nuisance when you don't really need them to be there, then this is what you need to do. So just come into settings. On the left here, scroll all the way down until you see CAN bus on the left and tap that. And then scroll down a little bit again, and all we need to do is disable this here, display air info. If you turn that off, it shouldn't come up anymore, shouldn't be bothering you. If that's not quite the fix you're looking for when you clicked on this video, let us know and we'll try and help you out. If you get in our live chat on our website, email us or call us. All of our details are on our website. That's vhedia.com.au. So cheers, guys, let us know.